even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki साहब के I just met this boy, he's Salim साहब's son. तो दो तीन जगह से एक people started.
But there is one girl who we owe our relation to Salman Khan, to Maine Pyar Kyun. We were testing a lot of girls much before. We started testing much before girls, boys and all that. So there was one girl who came, who tested. Her name was Shabana Dutt. Her name is Shabana Dutt. And I remember after doing the test, of course her test was not correct. She told me that there is who hero. I said, we are hunting for boys. Can you suggest? She said, एक लड़का है सलमान खान जिसके साथ मैंने एक ऐड किया, आई थिंक चप्पल का कोई ऐड था. एंड वाई डोंट यू, आई सेड प्लीज गिव द नंबर, कोई भी हो अभी ढूंढ रहे. तो ही से सलीम साहब के सन. सो वी वर मी माय फादर ऑल ऑफ अस, सलीम साहब के सन कहाँ करेंगे. नो बोले वेरी नाइस गाय, यू टू जस्ट कॉल हिम, ही विल कम लाइक दैट एंड टेक अ टेस्ट. सो दैट इज व्हेन
चप्पल का ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं और सलीम साहब के सन को पता है कि काम की कितनी जरूरत है. 7.5 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं. दे आर थिंकिंग इन द राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के हाउ विल यू डू इट.
So that's when we contacted Honey Uncle, जो सलीम साहब के साथ काम करते थे, to ask him. And that's how, of course, there were 2 other people who had helped us. So 3 people were एक time पे recommended. I have tried at my level. He's trying at his level to contact her. If someone can contact her, please, we owe him just a little glimpse of who she was, because we owe him to her.
Don't go looking for the same face because I'm sure it must have changed. This 27 years ago.
Did you all meet after the film?
27 साल के बाद, 27 साल के बाद ये भी टेस्ट दिखना था. I think it was Lakhani Chappal at that point of time, and Kailash Surendranath was shooting the film. Sangeeta was with me, and I think when I asked Kailash, okay, who's this girl? He said, I think she was from the agency. So she was from the agency, then I didn't know what she was doing in Suraj Babu's office, auditioning for Bhagyashree's role. But sabko ek hota hai ke, you know, and the fact that she went there and she suggested my name. And then also there's this writer of theirs who was writing for Rashtriya at that time, Mr. Kamar Naqvi. So I went to Lucky Hotel for a narration. Somebody else only was, you know, they used to have all these writers and directors, you know, sitting there at the Lucky restaurant here in Bandra. तो मैं चला गया, तो वो वहाँ पर बैठे थे वहाँ पर. तो there was another director narrating a script to me. Really bad one. तो I had to say no to him. तो तुमको समझ क्या है, तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो ये. तो I think Kamar Naqvi at that point of time understood कि ये समझदार बच्चा है. Because even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki साहब के I just met this boy, he's Salim साहब's son. तो 2-3 जगह से एक people started recommending my name. And before I think you had already finalized Deepak Tijori and Kunal Goswami.
Lots of them.
Yeah. So these 2 names were in the running.
What about the success party and all? Didn't you all meet everybody after that? After it became such a super hit film, sir, didn't you have a big party where everybody came across?
कुछ नहीं सब, पर उसके पहले अभी तो बहुत रास्ते थे.
अच्छा.
First was to find the girl.
Yeah.
Oh, so since then, no contact at all, and she also never contacted you after that. Nothing.
No, there's no.
Wow.
I got her number, but the phone didn't. I mean,
oh, actually, an angel.
It rang, and then it was like.
But then after this was a journey to find the heroine.
Yes.
And then we kept a lot of girls. One incident I'd like to share. I'll tell. Yeah, tell. Both of us, we had liked a girl, I think at Roshan Taneja ji's acting school. So we saw and we said, this is the girl. Today she's there, she's a mother, and we...
What was her name?
No. It's okay. So then...
Shine?
No. So we both liked her very much, but she was the niece of a very big star.
Shine.
Yeah. Very big. And so we took an appointment, and हमारे गुप्ता जी जो थे वो बोले कि हम जाके परमिशन लेंगे. तो आई रिमेंबर हम दोनों गाड़ी में बैठे हैं, एंड गुप्ता जी गए उनके घर पे, हम बाहर बैठे कि हीरोइन मिल गई, ऐसा लोग ये वो. गुप्ता जी आधे घंटे बाद, एंड ही सेड क्या हुआ, बोले नहीं चलो ऑफिस चलेंगे. सो हम सब गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं ऑफिस में. He made us sit out. He went to father, and then finally he came out. He said कि नहीं वो सब थोड़ा reservation है. They are saying Yash Chopra और Anil Kapoor होते combination तो it would have been a launch. So we have gone through all this, not knowing our own worth. Maybe it was right at that time, wrong. But ये सब journey से गुजरे, and we have a glimpse of the various some girls whom we had tested.
Yeah, there was one girl from Rotterdam or Amsterdam somewhere. I still remember her name, Mariam. She's one of the short she's here. She had a very slim face then.
And out of desperation, जो आए test होते गए. But then this is the test, the one which really worked for us. And by the time we are showing you the final test, but one thing was very clear. We shot this at around 2:30 in the night, and we realized he is at his best at that time. You can see by that time
You all will agree with that.
by that time we knew how the stubble looked. By that time he knew what the camera is. You can see the romance in him.
So then, he was so fed up that eventually he said that I want to take Neelam in the film now. I said, yeah. कोई तो एक, established आ गई यहाँ पर हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए. So he was going to go to Ooty. And then suddenly he does not go to Ooty because I think Raj Babu found Bhagyashri. And then he showed me the pictures. I said, is there a sister's role in the film? I said, it's like a sister kind of casting you taking.
So नीलम जी जब मिलती हैं तो आज भी बोलती हैं कि मैंने प्यार किया आते आते ऊटी रुक गए. The fact is हम आपके कौन भी आते आते रुक गए तो हम साथ साथ बुलाया भी तो बहन के लिए.
हीरोइन को बहन बनाया, बहन को हीरोइन बनाया. सोचो.
Was Salman sir on the set once you started shooting? Was he like a really quick learner? Did he take a long time?
You haven't seen the growth from the first test to this one. It's only 1 week, dude.
Okay. But otherwise, what
It has
was...
taken me a long time, 27 years to grow. But then that growth was like really quick.
But otherwise, on the sets, what was the chemistry like? Were you all both a little apprehensive? Were you a little bit doubtful sometimes at all? Or was it full confidence once you said take and scene one?
No, बहुत time
Oh,
लगा.
Suraj Babu, don't expose them.
बहुत time लगा. But one quality of Salman Bhai which has really taken him to where he is today is that even at that time he was never afraid of making a fool of himself. He was not afraid कि अगर
Some things never change.
but there have been incidents when he's going for the shot and he says one more. कितने भी बड़े एक्टर हो सब नहीं तो हम सब we are worried लोग क्या बोलेंगे लोग, but never it has been. So that is what makes him so natural today. So the journey has been take after take, but by the time this film was over, it was one take. Even today, he doesn't require any more than one take.
But so many years of retake ka practice, no?
But there was also...
There was a scene where in the mandir, I had to give a cue to Alok Nath ji, and I was missing that. All I says, "Kyun Babuji?" And when his lines were over, and then my line came, I almost became Shah Rukh Khan. "Kyun Babuji?" What was that? Because you're working with Alok Nath in front, and first time you're working with somebody who's there in the film industry and popular, तो आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी बाहर. And then, so whatever you see of Alok ji right now, that whole sanskari bit is Suraj Babu.
No, but everyone says Salman Khan, everyone says big star, lucky, but there are some things I know what he has gone through because I've been through those times. I've been through that time when we have finished dubbing him. We've gone to the mixing studio. Both of us are sitting at the back. Our mixing, and that mixing engineer used to mix Prakash Mehra film, Manmohan Desai film, huge table, both of us sitting at the back. And he starts mixing, he hears the first reel and he tells my father, Raj Babu, this, you have to dub his voice. ये तो film गई, नहीं तो. And both of us look at each other. He says, "हाँ ये तो," and he didn't care वो कौन लड़का.
Yeah, because even the earlier film बीवी होता है ऐसी, they dub my voice. I say यार dub करो किसी से भी करा लो, ये picture आनी चाहिए बाहर पे देखेंगे अपन.
And he said, "डब करो इसका तो कुछ ठीक है, but picture." So I remember coming out. We have to hunt, and my father goes in, and he tells the engineer that नया लड़का है, you have to give him one more chance, ये तो हिम्मत जाएगी. And we read up the whole film. Earlier we dubbed in the mornings, then we dubbed in the afternoons, in the evenings. And today, no one has the guts to tell him one more at dubbing. So that has been
No,
struggle.
I do it on my own only. That 10 more I only give. Before anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast me. And he was there right in front of me at every given time, whether it be dubbing, whether it be the casting, whether it be one more retake, it would be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point in time, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But I'm sure that 1 crore 11 lakhs or 20 lakhs का जो budget गया होगा, उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा.